Ooh, misfire.
Don't worry, Mo. We'll get it to go off. What you are about to see them do is what's
Victor.
called a misfire drill. So, what they are doing is looking down the vent, looking at the muzzle to make sure that there is no smoke. Once there is no smoke, they will then go through a drill to re-prime the cannon. So, very possible that we just had a bad primer. You guys got to remember these were weapons that were used 160 years ago. Number 2 cannoneer, the front left of the piece, has gone inside the wheel. He has taken out the old friction primer, has re-primed the powder bag to make sure it's a full and all the way through, and now has reinserted a new friction primer, which once again is being stretched nice and hot. A good nod. Number 2 can step back out. Ready. All right, cover your ears.
Fire! Cease fire!
There we go. All right, how about a round of applause for our cannoneers today?
I've never actually gotten to see him this far.
I hope you breathe in this
Oh
smoke.
yeah, it's no fun when you're up there.
Lovely.
It's
Thank
no
you all
fun.
for joining us today. I hope you enjoy the rest of your
We've done the
time
steps
here
in
at Fort
practice.
Pulaski
I
National
appreciate the
Monument.
fire. Yeah.
No,